Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the king of the Genesis lineup, the almighty 2024 Genesis G90. This flagship sedan is making serious waves in the luxury market, and for good reason. So, buckle up, as we explore why the G90 might be your next executive chariot. Let's start with that head-turning exterior. The G90 boasts a bold design that's both sophisticated and undeniably Genesis. The signature stacked headlights and the wide, imposing grille scream luxury, while the flowing lines create a sense of elegance and dynamism. It's a car that commands attention without being overly ostentatious. But the real magic happens inside. Step into the G90's cabin, and you're greeted by a world of unparalleled comfort and refinement. Think premium Napa leather upholstery that feels amazing, genuine wood trim that adds a touch of warmth, and enough legroom to stretch out like royalty. But the G90 isn't just about looks. Genesis has packed it with cutting-edge technology. We're talking a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with light, and a driver assistance suite that keeps you safe and secure on the road. And let's not forget the unexpected features: an onboard fragrance diffuser to set the mood and an air purifier to ensure you're breathing the cleanest air possible. These thoughtful touches elevate the G90 to a whole new level. Now, on to the performance. The G90 offers two engine options, a standard 375 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and a more powerful 409 horsepower version with an electric supercharger. Both engines deliver smooth, effortless power, perfect for navigating city streets or cruising down the highway. While handling might not be its strongest suit compared to some European rivals, the G90 prioritizes a luxurious and comfortable ride, ideal for those who value a serene driving experience. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: the price. The G90 starts at an estimated $91,000. Which is significantly less than some of its established German competitors. For the level of luxury, technology, and comfort you're getting, the G90 offers incredible value. So, is the 2024 Genesis G90 the best luxury car out there? That depends on your priorities. But one thing's for sure, it's a compelling option that offers a unique blend of style, comfort, technology, and value. If you're looking for a luxurious sedan that won't break the bank, the G90 deserves a serious look. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the G90, and let me know what other luxury cars you'd like to see reviewed. And, as always, hit that subscribe button for more exciting car content.